They're living hundreds of miles away from town, climbing up 100-foot spar poles, just trying to make a paycheck. Logging in Ketchikan, Alaska was probably one of the most dangerous jobs in history. Back in the day, you had to have two things. One of them, you had to be strong, mentally and physically, but you had to be a little bit crazy too. Think about opening up a door to your new home. Where did that home come from? It came from timber. I mean, there were guys out here risking their lives just to grow America. My father came up in '95 and he bought the old spruce mill, which was the old pulp mill in Ketchikan, and he built the Great Alaskan Lumberjack show right on that very spot so that people could come and see just a taste of the history that Ketchikan has in logging.